to Knowledge and Info YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you a powerful Excel-based income tax calculator for the financial year 25-26, assessment year 2026-27. Using this tool, you can compare the old tax regime and new tax regime instantly and find out which option save more tax. Let's see how it works. Before that, you just subscribe my YouTube channel for the future update. First, you have to select the financial year, then just type your name if it required. After that, you have to select the option. Here there is 3 option is available. Below 60 years, that is normal taxpayer. For senior citizen, you can select this one, or your super senior citizen, you can select this one. If you select any age group, it will calculate basis on that. Okay, so now I am selecting below 60 years. After that, you have to enter the values. This tool for individual only, whether you are a salary person or a business person or some other income, other source of income, like from equity market, mutual fund, anything. You can use this tool. If you are individual, you can use this tool to find out the best regime suitable for you to save more tax. First, here income from salaries. So you just enter your salary, gross salary. If you have a form 16, then you will find the detail. Whatever the detail asking here, everything will be available in form 16. So you just copy the form 16 detail and you can paste here. Like, what is your gross salary, what is your HRA, other exemptions are available. Once you enter this, the tool automatically find out whether it is available, it is eligible in new tax regime or not. All you know that only for salary people, only the standard deduction only allowable in new tax regime. But in old tax regime, it all allowed. So you can, once you enter the value, it automatically capture old tax regime values and new tax regime value automatically. You can see now here, once I enter all the detail, it is showing in old tax regime when it is applicable, but in new tax regime it is not applicable, right? Only standard deduction only allowed. So that standard deduction value only is deducted. After that, you can see the net income from salary as per old tax regime and as per new tax regime. So like that, if you have an income from house property, that also you can enter here. For example, you have an interest on housing loan, then you just enter the value of the interest you pay for the financial year 25-26. But in new tax regime, it is only, but in new tax regime, only if you have income from rental income, then only it will be applicable. That interest on housing loan, it is not applicable in new tax regime. So in this tool, it is automatically took new tax regime values and old tax regime value as per the data you enter. So once you enter, you can see what is your net income from house property. It is already calculated as per your enter. Here you can see 3 lakh rupees is the annual rental income you enter. So it is after deducting the housing loan interest and standard deduction, it's showing 35,750 is your income from house property. So, but in as per new tax regime, only standard deduction is deducted. So balance income is showing as your income from house property income. So as per your values enter, it will pick up for old tax regime and new tax regime automatically. After that, you can see income from business or profession. If you are individual but you are not receiving any income from salary, but you have an income from business, you can also find out the best regime using this tool. So if you have an income from business, you can enter the value. Here it is mentioned presumptive income. If you everybody knows that presumptive income, you have to show profit 8% of your turnover. But if you are not using 44 ready, you are directly filing in ITR 3 also. You just enter your net profit here to find out the best regime for you. So you just enter the net profit here. So this also capturing. So your net income from business is showing as per old tax regime and new tax regime. Next one is income from other sources. Apart from your salary and rental income and business income, definitely you have a other income, other sources, other source of income, right? So if you have an income from saving account or interest from FD, RD or post office, everything you have, you just enter here. It will automatically pick up the value as per old and new regime. So next one is very important. Everybody actually have this income. Nowadays, everybody investing in capital gain. That is equity share, mutual fund. So definitely you will attract short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain. In this tool also, it automatically calculate the tax rate as per old tax regime and new tax regime. If you have a STCG, that is short-term capital gain, you just enter the value of profit. Don't enter the turnover. Just enter the exact profit you get it from short-term capital gain. So I enter here 15,000. So it automatically calculates tax value as per old regime and new regime. It is automatically picking the values. So even in if you have a long-term capital gain, I enter 1,35,000. So it automatically picking that 1,25,000 exemption, and also after deducting that 1.25, it's showing only 10,000 as your long-term capital gain. So short-term capital gain, long-term capital gain, everything will be here automatically picking. So once you enter these values, short-term and long-term, you will find total income summary here. See, your normal rate of income is 18,32,000 as per old regime, new tax regime 21,45,500, and capital gain, that is a special rate income, that is showing here 25,25, because STCG you have entered 15,000 and long-term capital gain you have 10,000. So total 25,000 here showing. So total gross total income showing 18,57,000 as per old regime, and as per new regime it's showing 21,75,500. So after this is your gross total income. So after that you can enter your deduction. Suppose you have a deduction in ATC or ATCCD, ATCCD2. In new tax regime, only ATCCD2, that is employers NPS contribution, only allowed in both regime. Otherwise, in old regime only these deductions are allowed. In new tax regime, there is no deduction. Only this one only allowed. Maximum of 35,000. So suppose you have a deduction detail, you can enter all the detail here. Every deduction detail available in this tool. Once you enter, it's showing your total deduction. So as per old regime, you claim 1,95,000. As per new regime, you claim only 35,000. So after deducting all your deduction, it's showing your net taxable income 16,37,50 for old regime, 21,10,500 for new regime. So after that, it is calculating the tax computation. What is the tax for this income? As per normal rate, for old regime 3,03,000, new regime 2,27,625. Same way, tax on special rate income. We have a STCG, LTCC, right? So for that also, it is automatically calculate the tax value for old regime and new regime. Once you calculate it, it's showing the total income before surcharge and cess. Showing as per old regime 3,07,000 around, and new tax regime 231 around it should. After that, it automatically calculate the education cess also. Surcharge will not applicable when your income not cross 50 lakhs. Okay, so education cess is available. It will attract 4%. So it is calculating automatically 4% on your total tax. So now you find the total tax on your income. As per old regime 3,20,180. As per new regime, it is 2,41,150. You can see it is recommending new tax regime is better, because you are saving 79,030 rupees compared to old regime. So in this tool, you can find out the best regime for your income, whatever income you have. whether it is a salary income or income from rental or other source income, income from business income, or your special rate income, that is, short-term capital gain or long-term capital. Everything you just enter the value and find out which tax regime is really suitable for you. You just find out and choose it. If you want this income tax calculator tool, you can contact us. The link is available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Thank you.